Hello everyone, I am Tarun from allzere.in, and I'll be taking you through to uh, a SQL online query processing tool known as SQLFiddle. And basically what this tool does is that you create your schema and run your queries online. So the hassle of having a database on your local system and practicing your queries online is very easy. Uh, so I'll take you through the tutorial straight away. You go to Google, visit SQLFiddle.com, and this is how a screen pops up. So on the left side you need to build your schema. The schema is login based, like if you create a schema right now, you visit it next time, so you'll have to recreate the schema. So, and on the right side, once you've created the schema, you can execute your SQLs. So SQL Fiddle supports multiple databases, MySQL versions, Oracle, SQL Server, and others. So let's build the schema first. So here I have an employee and a department table just to demonstrate some of the queries. We put in some employees and some department details. Paste it here. Click on build schema. Okay, now the schema is ready, so your SQL side will be enabled, and you can run the following queries. And I've selected some queries which are very common to brush up your SQL concepts at times if you're preparing for an interview or something like that. So now I check that I'm selecting the employee and their respective department name from the table, and I run the SQL. So here you go. We had inserted Tarun in the employee and mapped him to department ID 1, that is IT, and that's what you see here. So similarly, you can go ahead and this is a demonstration of left outer join, and so it shows Nick, whose department ID was null, can also be mapped to that. And now I'm selecting the count of all employees from each department. So I'm selecting count and the department name where the employee count is greater than 2. So things like that you can very easily practice over here. Another thing which you can add is a self join criteria, maybe on a process table that you can create in your schema. So how it comes handy is that we all like prepare for interviews and other processes. So every time you need to revisit, you're preparing for your interview, you just want to brush up quickly what all queries you ran, and how it can come handy in your refreshing your memory. So it's something that can remain online, and you never, you always don't need to have your laptop handy with you. It's just that you have the web and go ahead with that. And another feature that is available here is that you can click on login, and you can choose any of your open ID, either created or anything WordPress or Google. So SQL Fiddle automatically saves the queries that you fired. So next time when you come, you can actually choose from a drop down which will be in your my account option, and simply rebuild your schema. You don't need to save the queries in some file or your email, and you can go ahead with your practicing. And further, it can show you the execution plan of the query as well, so you can review that from here. And there are lots of other options, but just wanted to share a very basic tutorial on this. Thank you.